Annyeonghaseyo, it's me, Kresa. I am going to prepare my favorite snack, corn dogs. First of all, you need to make sure that your hands are clean in preparing your food, as well as your ingredients. It must be washed thoroughly, especially hot dogs. Korean dog-inspired corn dog. Korean corn dog is a unique twist on a hot dog prepared by coating a sausage in corn dog butter, dipping it into French fries, then deep frying the whole thing in oil. The dish is presented skewered on a stick and it is usually consumed on the go. By the way, I don't eat hot dogs every day. My mom only cooks for us once a week and take notes. She buys beef or chicken only because we don't eat pork, and hot dogs are one of the no food for us. It's one of the most preservative foods which is not good for our body to consume. Things that we need to use are mixing bowl, whisk, spatula, tall glass, just enough to use for dipping our corn dog. Of course, burner, adult supervision but must be needed in frying our corn dog. Pan for frying, skewers, and stump. What are the ingredients? Okay, let me tell you. 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, any brand, 281 grams, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon oil, 2 whole eggs, 3/4 cup fresh milk, 185 grams, 1/2 cup butter, 120 grams or less or more according to your consistency, 1 tablespoon vinegar to soften our corn dog coating, 1/2 teaspoon salt, panko breadcrumbs, and French fries. Let's put them all together to make a batter or coating for our hot dog. First, let us weigh out or measure our ingredients. While waiting for our butter to rest, Let's cut our hot dogs and cheese according to bite size. I used pure food beef hot dogs. I cut it into 3 equal parts. Cut the cheese same size as your hot dogs. Cut french fries too. Put breadcrumbs to one bowl. In another bowl, combine fries and breadcrumbs. By using skewers or any sticks that you prefer, arrange hot dogs cheese to the skewers. After 10 minutes of waiting for our batter, stir it first, then transfer to the grass. Why? To make it easier for us to dip our hot dog. batter. Do it slowly and make sure that our hot dog is well coated. Then roll it or fries with breadcrumbs according to your preferences. To know your oil is hot enough, dip the skewer. The oil is already hot if there's bubbles at the bottom. enjoyed my video, thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly click the like button, comment down, and subscribe to my channel. God bless!